This is the new Stihl hsa100 professional battery hedge trimmer. Now, I was lucky enough to be able to buy one of these last week, so I thought I'd do a quick video just showing you the spec and a little bit of an overview of the machine, as I know quite a few will be interested in this. So first of all, we have a twisty handle. Now the handle travels 90 degrees in each direction, so in total 180 degrees. And to operate it, obviously the front switch, then the dead man down on top of the handle, and then your safety switch, and just press the trigger as normal, and the safety switch releases with the dead man. You can also use this left-handed as well. It has a blade length of 60 centimeters, a tooth spacing of 34 millimeters, and it comes with a thigh guard. And there's a tip protector as well, and a little look at the underside of the blades. Blades are often forgotten, and they are the most important thing on the machine, I think. And we have a metal gearbox cover with a grease point. The unit without the battery weighs 3.7 kilograms. With the recommended AP200 battery, I believe it comes in at around 5 kilograms ish, and I did read it stated run times were up to 150 minutes on that battery. Now the blade speed is 3,000 strokes a minute, and if the motor senses a jam, it does auto reverse the blades. I'm a fan of the hsa100, and this hedge trimmer is a big leap up from it. It's a very strong build, and it feels a very sturdy machine. Now, this is not a review, this is purely just an overview to show you the machine. I will do a full review of this trimmer in probably 6 to 8 months time, once I've got a good amount of hours on it. So that will be coming in the future. So I hope you found this of interest and help. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.